One of the most common things we hear from people who are getting close to retirement or who are already there is this. Hey, Brad, I've been getting a paycheck my whole working life. Now that it's gone, how do I make sure I have a reliable income that lasts as long as I do? Hey, that's a great question and a legitimate concern. You've spent decades saving and investing, but transitioning that lump sum into steady monthly income that feels like a paycheck without the fear of running out of money or getting hit hard by big market swings takes some very careful planning. In this video, we're going to walk you through exactly how we help our clients here at the Ozarks Retirement Group to create steady, reliable retirement paychecks. We'll cover things like Social Security optimization, the role of annuities for guaranteed lifetime income, and how to structure the rest of your portfolio for growth, even with a higher allocation to stocks once your essential expenses are covered. We'll use specific examples so you can see how this applies in real life. If you're nearing retirement and you want a personalized look at your own specific situation, just go to ozarksretirement.com, click on the Contact Us button in the upper right-hand corner, and fill out the prompt. Now, the first big change that most people realize in retirement is that their automatic weekly paycheck disappears. There's no more automatic direct deposit every couple of weeks. Now you're the one who's responsible for generating that income for the rest of your life. So where is that going to come from? You see, the risks are real. Sequence of returns risk is a big one. What if the market drops significantly right after you retire and you're forced to sell investments at a loss just in order to pay your bills? And then there's inflation. Inflation can quietly erode your purchasing power over the next 20 to 30 years of retirement. And then there's longevity risk. Many of us are living into our 90s and beyond, which is wonderful, but your money has to keep up with you and last as long as you do. A lot of people default to the old 4% rule of thumb for investing. But you see, we've seen this in practice play out, and research will back this up. The 4% withdrawal method doesn't always provide the peace of mind or the perfect reliability that people want. Claiming Social Security too early at age 62 can lock in benefits that are up to as much as 30% lower for the rest of your life. Over-relying on your investment portfolio without a solid floor can lead to stress during market downturns. When it comes to retirement income planning, I'll be the first one to tell you that there are several different ways to accomplish your retirement goals. However, there is one approach that is statistically proven to be the most efficient for generating the most optimized retirement outcomes. This is the approach we personally use in our practice, and it's so simple, it almost feels like it's too good to be true. But it's not, and that's why the top financial planning experts use this method. First, we focus on building a guaranteed income floor that will cover your essential expenses. Things like your housing, groceries, utilities, healthcare, and insurance. This comes primarily from Social Security and any pensions that you have, along with strategically placed annuities. And now this isn't just any old annuity that will do. It needs to be one that is specifically being used for income-producing benefits. You see, not all annuities are created equal, so this one is important. Once that foundation is locked into the right type of account, the rest of your portfolio has the freedom to grow. So believe it or not, when someone talks to us for the first time, Social Security is usually the starting point. I often say that it is the most important piece of the puzzle for most retirees, and this is why we start there. Why is it so important? It's inflation adjusted and lasts the rest of your lifetime. We run detailed optimization scenarios for every single client. For example, a couple that's married and in their mid-60s might delay one or both of their benefits to age 70 to maximize survivor benefits and to get those 8% annual increases. We've had clients boost their lifetime Social Security by $150,000 all the way up to $300,000 or more just through proper coordination. It's a big, big deal. Secondly, we talk about pensions. Hey, if you have one, that's a great thing. It's another guaranteed stream of income. We help weigh the lump sum option at your job versus monthly income options that are based on your full picture. Pensions are very rare, and sadly, we rarely see them anymore, but they are extremely important for the few of you who still have them. Lastly, if you don't have enough Social Security and pension income to cover your essential expenses, annuities are a great tool for creating that guaranteed lifetime paycheck for so many people. You see, what you do is transfer a portion of your savings to an insurance company, and in return, they provide contractual guaranteed monthly payments for the rest of your life, no matter how long you live. This is the final piece of the puzzle that becomes the bedrock of many retirement income plans, and we love them. I personally own 8 annuities. Just as I mentioned in the intro, we use the remaining assets and allocate them towards a traditional stock portfolio. Now, this can be individual companies, ETFs, index funds, or a mixture of all of the above. The point is that those dollars are allocated towards equities that have the ability to outpace inflation and truly grow over the next several decades. And that's it. It's guaranteed income plus stocks. The end. I mean, seriously, I could end the video right here if I wanted to. There are no fancy, shiny objects, no hedge funds, no private equity, no proprietary products or special bonds. Not that these things are bad things, but they just aren't necessary to get you exactly what it is that you want, and more importantly, what you need when it comes to your retirement income plan. You see, Ben Carlson, who's the Director of Institutional Asset Management for Ritholtz Wealth Management, he is responsible for over $7 billion in assets. And he says this perfectly. One of my guiding principles is that when it comes to retirement investing, less is more and simple beats complexity. And the third-party independent research shows this to be true time and time again. So let's talk about this a minute. The annuity plus stocks approach. It's backed by research. Once again, this isn't just our opinion. Leading retirement researchers like Dr. Wade Pfau and Dr. Michael Finke have done extensive work showing that combining annuities for guaranteed income with a stock-heavy portfolio for the remainder is often one of the most efficient ways to structure your retirement income. Their simulations have shown this to be true over several different decades of possible retirement dates. Even during market crashes or interest rate variability, world wars, and certainly it has worked great during bull markets and times of economic growth in America. Dr. Pfau's research on the efficient frontier for retirement income repeatedly shows that once you have reliable income from Social Security, pensions, and annuities, the optimal allocation for the remaining assets leans heavily towards stocks. In some modeled scenarios, even 100% equities, rather than a traditional balanced mix with a lot of bonds. Annuities effectively replace the role that bonds would play in providing stability, but with better income potential and protection against outliving your money. Dr. Finke and colleagues have shown similar results. Adding annuities gives retirees the confidence to allocate more aggressively to stocks with the leftover assets, which can lead to higher sustainable spending and better legacy outcomes over time. Now, you might be thinking, why does this work? Because your essentials aren't dependent on market performance. Market dips don't force you to sell when things are low. And over the long term, stocks have historically provided the growth needed to combat inflation and support a rising standard of living, instead of fighting to keep your head above water for a standard of living. Just yesterday, we actually did a review with a 68 and 65-year-old married couple that we helped from Florida a few years ago. After securing their $6,500 monthly guaranteed need for income, the remaining $580,000 in their portfolio went into a diversified stock portfolio. It was heavy on quality companies and ETFs that they were comfortable with. Now get this, they retired back on January the 1st of 2022, and you might remember what happened in 2022. So their first year of retirement was at the very beginning of a bear market that ended as the 7th worst year in the history for stocks and the overall worst year for bonds. In fact, it was one of the worst times in recent years to retire. It wasn't for them, though. They didn't have to touch a single penny of their stock portfolio. And I think you all know what happened in 2023, 24, 25, and all the way through right now in 2026. The markets have done extremely well. Their portfolio completely recovered from 2022, and now it's worth $979,000, even after the drawdown of their first year of retirement in 2022. And they started taking monthly withdrawals of $2,000 per month for their lifestyle enhancement in 2024. That shows the incredible power of securing your essentials and then investing for growth with the rest of your portfolio. They'll be able to take all kinds of incredible vacations, buy a new car when they need to, help their grandkids with college, and help their family in almost any way that they want to. And this is because of the freedom that their financial plan provided to them. It's a truly blessed life when you get to that place in life. And remember, their risk tolerance allowed for aggressive growth with stocks because of the combination of annuities and Social Security that was acting as their safety net. Now, we tailor this to every single client. Some prefer to make certain tweaks and changes along the way to their overall plan to meet their exact needs, and that's perfectly fine. There is no one-size-fits-all carbon copy way to do this, especially depending on what state you live in and what annuities are available in your state. Now, beyond this structure, it's very imperative to pay close attention to taxes. We look at Roth conversions, the order of withdrawals, and how everything else coordinates with your Social Security taxation. Small decisions here can save tens of thousands of dollars during your retirement years. Lastly, we always monitor and adjust over time. Life changes, health, market conditions, and family needs. So your plan shouldn't be a set it and forget it style of plan. Interest rates change, annuity guarantees change, the stock market changes daily, and portfolio allocations need to be rechecked and rebalanced continually. There is no shortage of change to be had over the decades of a healthy retirement plan. The most common pitfalls we see are consistently familiar. It's not covering essentials first and taking on too much risk early on, or the opposite, being too conservative and missing out on growth opportunities. It can also involve ignoring how healthcare costs or required minimum distributions will affect you later in your retirement years. Creating a reliable retirement paycheck isn't about one magic product. It's about building a solid guaranteed foundation with Social Security, pensions, and annuities, then allowing the rest of your assets to work harder for growth. This approach, which is supported by research from experts like Dr. Pfau and Dr. Michael Finke, have helped many of our personal clients enjoy retirement with confidence. And I'm very confident that it will continue to be the bedrock of successful retirement plans for people all over the country for decades to come. This isn't just my opinion. The math backs it up and says that it's so. All right, everyone, plan smarter and live better. We'll see you in the next video. Take care.